Welcome to my channel Kaji E. Today I will set up my speaker with TV. This is my TV soundbar, and it is as usual connected here with HDMI with my TV right here. But that's not the problem. It's regular. When you buy soundbar, you just HDMI connection from your bar to TV. That's not the problem. Problem is here. I have two remotes. You see, one is for TV, a smart TV, this one, and this one for bar. I don't want both remote to use for the sound. Okay, so I want one remote for sound and TV. When TV is gonna turn on, this bar should turn on, and I can control the volume from this remote. I will show you how to do it. Let me turn on the bar.
That's all happening when those threats can.
You see, bar is on. Now I can change the volume with the bar. Now I have to set up my speaker with bar with that TV. When I use, if it is on a speaker, then when I use this, then my speaker volume goes up. But it's not connected with my bar at all. So go to setting and then go sound and then go output. This is speaker. Make sure you go to Samsung M430 HDM. Enter there. Now bar is open, but it's mute now. It's not working. Okay, so what are you gonna do in this situation? Go to setting, press on setting, and you see first one is picture, second one is sound. Press sound, and you see right side, this is on a speaker. So you change speaker to this one. But if you do change this one, then after a while it's gonna stop working. It's gonna be like mute. So better you go to the speaker list. You get the, you see your bar is there. So you just press on your bar and connect. Press on connect. Right, you are using your TV remote. Connect. Now it's, you see, it's connected. Sound is different, and this bar is right here. Now you press OK, and then close it. You see, it is right here. Now close it.
If Majority Leader Mitch McConnell would bring it up for a vote. Notably, his statement last night applauded the president.
It's done. Look, now my bar is disconnecting because I turned off the TV. You see, now it's ready, but it's off. Okay, now you see this is off and my TV is off. I already fixed it. So now I'm using this one. Just press the button to turn on the TV. TV is on. Yes. Same time you look the process of what's going to happen your bar. In terms of getting that money this is getting on. Right. It's on now. And now if I use and volume go up,
Then
Look,
instead of the extension being 11 weeks, it's going to be 10
your
weeks.
all speakers are working. Your speaker bar is working. Thank you for watching, Kazi.